Ralph Campbell's going to moderate the Amazing Line Challenge.
All right, well, last time I tried this, it had some bugs, but this time it's going to work for sure, and it goes pretty fast, so I figured I'd just demonstrate how everything works.
What's your explore strategy? Go straight?
So the strategy is if there's an intersection, it picks a random direction. It keeps track of the maze. It builds a map. And then once it's built the map, it will do A-star minimization and take the shortest route on the second run. And the fast blinking means it found the goal. So second run, it should avoid that dead end and just go straight. Uh-oh! Missed the intersection. Oh well. Try again here. Put in a lot of code to double check that when it returns the same distance. See, there's a random, so it took a different path this time, but it'll skip the places it's already traveled.
Maybe. Better than I did.
Now, hopefully this time it will...
So it memorized its path?
Yes. Well, it built a map and then does A-star to compute a path to take to the goal.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
So it doesn't take the same path on the. No, it's just
Memorize the map.
Yeah. So at every place there's an intersection,
Right.
or a turn, it records a vertex, and then has a mask for which directions have been explored, and if it hasn't explored it, then it'll take a random one that hasn't been explored, and then connect up the edges of the vertex. So like if there was a loop here, when I got here, I would know that there was no possible intersection in between, because it has to be at least a foot apart, and it can fill in, like if there was an edge here, it would fill in the fact that, oh, those two edges must connect, and then so it's building the map. So there you have it.
Somebody else have a
Somebody
maze?
else have
a maze robot?
a maze robot?
All right.
Ralph, yes.
Ralph Hips, ladies and gentlemen. Anybody that's got something for the robot dance party that needs some setup, go ahead and set it up, because we're going to cue the music in a bit, okay?
All right, let's go.
You got something with the music?
Yeah. So, fingers
It's fancy.
Where's the cheese?
Yeah, we need the cheese. I forgot the cheese.
Looks possessed, doesn't it? Looks possessed, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's the idea, yeah.
Last time it didn't work without the cheese.
Sorry?
Last time it didn't work without the cheese.
Yeah, back in the day I needed the cheese, but don't need it now. But
Yo, what happened?
no cheese. It's because we don't have cheese.
I was almost
Well, I discovered the hard way that you have to ignore the cracks between the tiles. And make sure you're crossing the lines, not reacting too early. All these things.
Anybody else? It's good practice. Maybe he'll figure it out. Machine He keeps failing for 6 by
going back.
Do you always make a left when you have a choice? Yeah, I know.
yeah. I can program them to go always left or always right. One of those two. Yeah. It's American. Worked for a while.
Oh, yeah.
I think the Senate something with that.
Okay, cool.
This page.
Take it to the goal
Instead of going over here, yeah, I'll miss that. I like the swings. Mine's falling apart. I'm on the
Well, he doesn't like left branches, left-hand tees.
Yeah, I had some bug where it was like right branches.
I think he's more having a problem with just misreading the surface.
But I put in a lot of checks to, like, if you go out 1 foot and have to turn around and come back, it still sees the same intersection 1 foot away. And it's like, when it's backtracking, it finds everything that we found the first time. So it doesn't get lost.
That's what those things stops and didn't find expecting them to go away. This doesn't match what they're using. Maybe I need to just take that out.
Yeah, well, having the shield on there makes it more likely to catch the tiles.
It's a good drink. This is it like scores the value of the red. Okay, all right.
I just go around the intersection.
Yeah, he was trying to.
I have one of those.
No introduction.
Take the shorter path now?
Yeah, it's shorter.
Oh, you want me to go on that 10
Anyway, this was just like,
Yeah, I know. Just to see how. Yeah, that's why I thought.